Okay then people, so I've got a Kity 613 bandsaw. I've just been cleaning it all up. You can see I was going to change the blade, so I thought I'll have a clean up. And there's a really annoying squeak that's been with me quite a while and I really couldn't work it out. So I think I've eventually got it, having messed with it for a while once before. That's the motor spindle, obviously, you can see, so it turns. If I just show you the top part, there's a cowling that goes over the top here, which is a bit of a pain, and the little black fan that was on the back has been catching on it. Now, it wasn't obvious, it took me a while, that this pushes onto the spindle. I'm going to not push it onto it because I'm going to do something with it, but it should be flush, so it should be completely flush. And then what happens is this clever little bit of metal here that pushes it together. And I think what's happened over time is that's just slightly expanded maybe. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tighten that up a bit, and you can see there's like a little split in the plastic that allows it to go on. So I think once I've tightened it, it'll stay on, and then it'll stop brushing against here and it'll stop squeaking, because I thought there was something seriously wrong, which is why I was taking everything apart to be sure. So there you go, hopefully that helps somebody out. Kity 613 bandsaw fan sorted.